Hello, my name is Victoria Reyna, and today I will be discussing the topic of climate change. The information from this presentation comes from NASA and their research on climate change. So what exactly is climate change? Well, climate change is defined as the long-term change in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. One of the primary causes for climate change is the burning of fossil fuels, which leads to an increase in greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere, which is also known as global warming. Going more in depth about greenhouse gases and how they affect climate change, I'm going to talk about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is defined as when the Earth's atmosphere traps heat that radiates from Earth to space, which inevitably leads to global warming. Some of the gases that contribute to this effect include carbon dioxide, which is released during respiration and the burning of fossil fuels, methane gas, which is released from decomposing waste in ruminant digestion, water vapor, which is one of the biggest contributors to global warming that also contributes to the possibility of precipitation, and nitrous oxide, which is released during the process of cultivation of soil. Some people may ask why climate change should be a topic of interest. To that, I say the topic of climate change should be of interest because it affects everyone who lives on this planet. The factors that cause climate change make living conditions worse for everyone. Climate change creates more severe weather and poor air quality, which is not ideal. What we currently know about climate change is that the effects are irreversible and will continue to become more severe and detrimental to the environment due to the continuous human activities that create the issues. According to the third and fourth National Climate Assessment, some of the following effects will be in our near future as climate change progresses. The first effect would be the increasing temperatures. With the continued output of greenhouse gas emissions, the Earth's atmosphere will continue to trap heat and warm over time. Next, we have change in weather patterns. The average precipitation patterns in the U.S. have continuously increased since the 20th century, so this trend is predicted to continue with heavier precipitation in certain regions of the U.S. Another effect would be the increasing droughts and heat waves. Due to the increasing temperatures in the summer that are predicted to occur, it will result in drier and longer drought periods in the already dry regions of the U.S., like the Southwest. This will also result in shorter cold winter periods. Another predicted side effect of climate change would be stronger natural disasters. Because of global warming's effects on the ocean currents, hurricanes are predicted to be stronger and more frequent during hurricane season. This will result in more Category 3 to 5 hurricanes. The next predicted side effect would be increasing sea levels. Since the sea level has risen about 8 inches from 1880, it is predicted to continue to rise approximately 1 to 8 feet by the year 2100. This will result in higher high tides and can lead to more frequent flooding in many areas. The last prediction I will discuss is melting glaciers. Since the temperature of the atmosphere and sea is increasing, glaciers and ice caps have been melting. Due to this issue, bodies of waters like the Arctic Ocean are predicted to be completely free of ice by the middle of the century.